要报告。
是不是
20号，传递设备完。
行吧，明白。明白。
明白。
Opportunities are endless. What if you had the ultimate tool to kickstart your dreams? Introducing Global Domains International's $10 per month comprehensive digital package. The ultimate starter kit for your online venture. With your own .ws domain name, you get a unique and credible online identity. Stand out in the crowded digital landscape with a fresh, memorable address. Site Builder Plus offers you the power to create a stunning website effortlessly. Choose from over 100 professional templates, use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor, and enhance your site with free stock images and a dynamic photo gallery. With up to 10 personalized email accounts and easy access from anywhere, stay connected and professional with GDI's web email features. Take advantage of the world's leading blogging platform, WordPress, with GDI's enhanced hosting services. Enjoy 10 GB of storage for use on multiple blogs. Reaching your audience with ease. Share your online presence in one convenient place with clicks.ws, making it easy for your audience to find and follow you. For the experienced user, our basic hosting and URL forwarding services offer complete control and flexibility for your custom website. Ensure your website's security with free SSL certificates, boosting your credibility and search engine rankings while protecting your visitors. Join our global affiliate program and earn with our 5-layer compensation structure. Enjoy additional bonuses and rewards as you grow with GDI. Empower your entrepreneurial journey with Global Domains International. For just $10 a month, transform your ideas into reality with the ultimate starter kit.